And new at 4, while millennials are saving money, some are not paying student loans. Surprising new numbers show nearly half of people who took out student loans are not paying them back. Take a look. 40% of Americans are not making payments or are behind on student loan payments. That accounts for about $200 billion. News 4's Angela Cristoforos talked to experts about the alarming report. Angela?
Christy, taking out the loan is relatively easy, but the federal data suggests what's hard is paying it back. I spoke with a local financial aid director who says the numbers aren't surprising because she says many students just aren't prepared to make the payments after they graduate.
I just think it's a lack of understanding. I think when they get out, maybe they had an expectation that they were going to, graduate college and immediately walk into a job making $60,000, $70,000 a year. And that really is unrealistic.
Financial aid director Connie Cook says about 70% of students who attend Buffalo State take out loans, and about 7.9% of them default on them.
The key is they should only borrow what they need to cover their education. And many students, they borrow more than direct tuition.
Like many other students, Kayla Bennett had to take out loans to pay for her education at Buffalo State. She says she'll owe about $20,000 when she graduates. Although she's just a freshman, the thought of having to pay that money back makes her nervous.
It just motivates me a little bit more to make sure that I get some type of job, even if it's not specifically in my field, but just have something so when they start trying to take money from me, I have something to give them.
The average debt load for a University at Buffalo student is over $21,000, and the loan default rate is 4.5%. Cook says students should look at what they will be making as an entry-level worker in their field to make sure they can pay their loans.
When the students graduate, typically they get a grace period, 6 months on the federal loans before the first payment is due. Sometimes they change their addresses, they're not getting their mail, they're not just staying connected to the fact that they have borrowed.
To avoid defaulting on loans, those who borrowed can reach out to the Department of Education and speak to a servicer to ask to suspend repayment or ask to be put on a different kind of repayment plan. On Twitter, I posted an online poll asking viewers if they have outstanding student loan debt, and no surprise here, 67% of people said yes. Over 200 people took the poll. Reporting live in the studio, Angela Cristoforos, News 4 at 4.